Japanese technique for belly fat loss. Who doesn't aspire to achieve a slim and attractive figure? The accumulation of fat around the belly area is a more serious issue than many may realize. Even if there are no outward symptoms, this fat buildup can jeopardize your health by leading to toxin accumulation in the body, which can increase the risk of diabetes and other heart-related conditions. Additionally, excess belly fat can significantly impact your self-esteem and how you perceive yourself. It can hinder your ability to wear the clothes you desire, leading to feelings of frustration and low self-worth. If you're among those yearning to shed those extra inches from your waist, consider trying this straightforward Japanese method designed to help you lose belly fat while improving your overall health and fitness. The Japanese approach to belly fat reduction. This technique is easy to follow. It involves a specific posture combined with a focused breathing exercise. First, you will take a deep inhale for 3 seconds, followed by a forceful exhale that lasts for a full 7 seconds. You might be curious about how a simple breathing exercise can aid in weight loss. Here's the science behind it. Fat is composed of hydrogen, oxygen, and carbon. When you inhale, the oxygen travels to the fat cells and aids in breaking them down into carbon and water. This means that the more oxygen you inhale, the more fat you can effectively burn. For optimal results, it's recommended to practice this routine every day for about 2 to 10 minutes. There are steps to follow for losing belly fat and boosting metabolism. Stand tall. Begin by standing upright with good posture. Number 2. Position your legs. Place one leg in front of you and the other behind. Number 3. Engage your muscles. Shift your weight onto your back foot, letting your glutes to feel some tension. Number 4. Inhale slowly. As you lift your arms overhead, take a slow, deep breath in for 3 seconds. Number 5. Exhale. Forcefully. Release your breath for 7 seconds, ensuring you exert force. Pulling your muscles during this step is encouraged. By incorporating this routine into your daily life, you're on the path to achieving the slim and healthy body you expected.